Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant freezing in mid-game easy and quick. First click here and then type view advanced system settings and then performance, click settings. Now adjust it for best performance and then click apply and OK, and after that go back and then go to graphics settings. And now just wait, and now if you want to overclock your GPU, just enable this one, and then you have to restart your PC after enabling it, and then go to browse. Now you have to know where is the file location of Riot Games, so you can find Valorant, and then click live, choose your game, binaries, Win64, and here you will find Valorant Win64 shipping. This is Valorant application. Now just click add, scroll down, you'll find it here, click on it and then click options, make sure it's high performance, save it and go back, and after that just go ahead and try again and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.